Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Drawing Studio.
Wait, is it turned on?
Yeah, it's turned on and it's recording. Thank you. So, in this episode, we are going to be teaching you how to draw a fairy. Yes, this was Claudia's special request. So we're going to be showing you how to do a really simple fairy. It's going to be so cute. And let's get started. So, caps off, please. Okay.
Put it behind you.
Yeah, that's good. So let's start out by drawing the fairy's eyes, okay? So I'm gonna do 2 little circles in the middle of my paper. Well, kind of in the middle.
I'm doing my best.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, those look really weird.
Okay, and then make 2 little circles inside of those little circles, kind of touching like the top left edge of it. We're gonna do those for like reflections in the eyes. Very good. And then I want you to color the whole, I decided. Then I want you to make another little, kind of like almost a whole circle. Because it can't be a whole circle because it will go through the other circle, but you know what I mean? Yes. And then do that for both of the eyes. And then color it in black. And guys, if we're going too fast for you at home, as always, you can just pause the video. You can rewind it. You can fast forward. Whatever you need to do, you can set it to like half speed. Okay, let's keep going. So the next thing that you can draw is the fairy's mouth. And we're going to do like a little circle right there, right in between the eyes.
That looks funny.
Yeah, it's going to be like a super duper cute fairy. Oh, it's adorable. Okay, then next, I want you to draw little eyelashes like that coming out of the fairy's eyes. Like nice little short eyelashes. Lovely, because fairies are super lovely, aren't they?
Yeah.
And super pretty. Okay, next, we're going to draw from here to here. We're going to draw the bottom of the fairy's head. Awesome. Okay, and then we are going to make the fairy's hair, okay? So try to see like where's the middle of this face, right? Because faces are kind of like even on both sides. And put a dot right at the top. Good. Now I want you to draw a straight line from that side to the corner of the face. Awesome. And then do the same thing on the other side. Draw straight down. It can be a little curve too. That's just fine.
Nope.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go up a little ways, draw a little line up. That's for the middle of the hair. That's called the part. And then we're going to go connect this line to this same line over here. So we're going to draw here and make a curved line all the way down to there. Awesome, Claudia. Okay, then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. You're doing such a good job with your drawing. Okay, now we're going to skip the hair for now, okay? So right now she's got like really short hair.
She's bald.
She's bald! Okay, but we will come back to it, okay? So next what I want you to do is we're going to make this like a super tiny cute fairy. So we're gonna make her body like a little, like a little finger shape, like that. Okay. Trust me, it's gonna be so super duper cute.
Like a popsicle.
That's awesome.
Like a popsicle.
She's like a fairy popsicle. Okay.
You
So next, what you're gonna do is you are gonna make her stop laughing at my fairy. What are you doing? All right, we have some helpers in here today. So the next thing that you're gonna do is make a line Not quite in the middle of that little popsicle stick thing, but like a little bit closer to the bottom. Okay? Good. And then make some curved lines. Whoop, whoop, like that. Okay? Trust me, guys. It will all make sense.
Even though she's a popsicle.
Okay, now from one of your curved lines, I want you to connect from here to here with a nice curved line. So we're going to curve like that. See what's going on here, guys?
No.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing from this line, the tip of this one, to here. We're going to connect them like it's a curved line like that. Beautiful. Mm-hmm.
She's a popsicle tree.
Uh-huh. And then I want you to draw another 2 lines going down like that.
She looks like a piece of corn now. Like
It does look like a piece of corn. But trust me, it will all work
it's like
out.
a piece of corn with a popsicle.
And then make 1 line for her legs. Now you have drawn her legs, and doesn't she look cute? And then we're gonna make
She's like a ballerina.
her feet are gonna be like little
What the?
teardrops, like that. They're really small, okay? She's
She looks like a little ballerina.
yeah, because she's a tiny, lovely fairy, okay? She's precious. Okay, next, for the fairy's arms, we are gonna just draw two little arms using little curved lines on both sides of her bodies. And remember, she's a little tiny fairy, so don't make them too big. Awesome. All right, and then we can draw her 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers, really tiny and small because she's a teeny tiny fairy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. Great. Okay. Next, we're gonna add her hair. Are you ready?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna give her some beautiful curly hair, and we're gonna go like this and make little scalloped lines starting from this part where we stopped drawing it.
Cute.
Yeah, and then it's gonna go all the way down to the side of her body. And that looks like she has curly hair. And then do the same thing on the other side. Scallop, 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 scallop. Okay, and then what you can do is even make little bows in her hair, because isn't that just going to be too adorable? So I want you to just draw like a little triangle right there. Okay, and then another little triangle right next to it. And voila, you've made a bow. And you can do bows on the other side too if you want. So another little triangle and another little triangle.
And another little triangle.
Oh, I love it.
I can see it.
Okay, thank you. Now, what is missing here?
A nose.
Well, yeah, a nose. We can give her a nose, but I'm gonna leave her nose off of it because I think that she looks pretty cute just like that.
What do
But
fairies have?
well,
Wings.
yeah, they have wings. So let's draw her wings, okay? We're gonna start from the top of her head, a little bit off from this center part. I'm gonna draw a big curve, and it's gonna end up right in this space here where her hair ended, okay? So I'm gonna start here, and I'm gonna go woo like that, and I'm gonna go all the way in like that. Exactly. And then just repeat for the other side. Okay? Great job. And then for the bottom half of her wings, we're just gonna kind of go around her arms. So we're gonna start here and then go down and up. Down and up.
All right.
Got it? You got a sense of the goofies today, don't you? A case of the goofies. Okay. Really awesome, Claudia. Now, what else do we add? Maybe we could make it look like she has like a necklace here, or like a neckline. Like maybe just do like a little V here.
I'm thinking that maybe something's
Like that.
a little missing. It's the shape.
It's the cheeks.
No, the thing that's missing is the shirt.
Oh, well, this is her shirt like this.
Oh
Yeah. We just didn't draw a neck on her. She's just kind of a short little stumpy fairy.
yeah.
Okay. So I think that is looking pretty good for our fairy. What do you think?
I think it's looking good.
Should we draw a magic wand in her hand? Might as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's start on, you can do either side that you want to. I'm gonna do mine on this side because that'll be easier for me to draw. So I'm gonna draw a line in the bottom and then straight coming out of the top. Just like that. Good. And then, oh yeah, and then you can do like a little line right there if you want to, just to show that she's holding it. Like, yeah, you can do that if you want. Here, I'll make mine like yours. But kind of like this, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
Okay. And then we can make like a heart or something at the top of it.
Like, I'm gonna make. Well, since we can put like anything we want. on
Yeah, you
it,
can put anything you
I'm
want.
gonna put on a little star.
Oh, nice. Good idea. We have a doggy here in the background. All right, Claudia, that looks so good. Should we color these in now?
Yeah.
Well, let's do a pink dress. And I think I have more pinks over here. Here, which pink do you want to use?
I'm gonna do this.
The light pink? Okay.
That's pretty.
So let's do her little shirt, okay? And remember, don't color in this part at the top of the V because that's like her skin color.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's too high.
Yeah, and I like to go like around the edges of it first, just like how you're doing, so that it's easier for me to color in later when I'm coloring all my colors.
Yeah.
See, like this? That makes it easier for me to stay in the lines.
And then put it all in.
Yeah, very good. And then I'm
Maybe
gonna
we could
do.
even add some sleeves.
Yeah, you could add sleeves if you want, of course.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make her skirt pink also.
I'm gonna put on some.
This is kind of like a little ballet fairy. It looks like she has like a little ballet leotard, doesn't it?
Yep. And we added in some sleeves.
Very
So,
nice.
Sleeves, a little more pink. Ooh, that's pretty.
Oh, thank you. Yours is really pretty too. I like how you did the sleeves. That's really creative. So I'm gonna get.
That's pretty.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do brown my fairy's hair too. So first I'm just gonna go around the edges first.
It's a little high for mine because mine's hair is a little,
Oh, yours is littler?
like mine's hair is more small.
More smooth?
No, small.
Small.
Oh, small, yeah. Well, it'll still turn out good.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna just make
This is,
this part.
they're looking pretty so far.
They're looking super duper duper pretty. This is a really good idea, Claudia, to do fairies.
And
You
then
gotta
I'm
let me
gonna
know in the future what you would want to draw next time.
It is looking very good, and don't go too fast.
Yep, don't go too fast. Yeah, that's a good lesson when you're coloring things. If you go too fast and if you rush through it, then you might make some mistakes, right?
Yeah.
might color through the lines, and that's okay, but you should practice doing it slowly.
The best.
Yeah, because it'll turn out better, right? And then you can be proud of yourself because you did a good job.
I'm just trying.
Okay, I'm gonna add some pink for my fairy's feet, and I'm gonna do pink on her
Oh,
wand.
that looks cute.
Thank you. I like
I
how
think it's gonna be yellow.
Oh, that's a good idea. Then it will look like it's golden, right?
Yeah.
A golden. Oh my goodness. You sure like gold, don't you?
I made a little done for the eyes. Ooh, and that looks so cute and pretty and
Oh,
adorable.
thank you. Yours is looking so cute and pretty and adorable too.
I'm gonna make.
What are you gonna name your fairy?
I'm gonna name it. Well, once I add all the colors in, and then like I look at it, and like I see the name that suits it, then
Yeah, pick a name that suits it. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so here are our finished drawings. As you can see, you can add any kinds of backgrounds that you want. Claudia added flowers, hearts, stars. She added some little laces to the legs that look so cute. She added pink cheeks. She added sleeves. So you can add all kinds of details that you like accessories or backgrounds. And just really have fun with it and make your fairy however you love, okay? That is it for today's video. If you liked watching this video on how to draw a fairy, then please remember to hit that like button, and you can always subscribe to us to come back to our channel and see more really awesome and fun drawing videos.
yeah.
Bye bye guys, that's all for now.
Bye. Bye.